Round 1 at Monza saw the Vipers on pole. No surprises there. All hopes of giving ORECA a run for its money was ended. While the ORECA cars cruised round in formation up front, there was more drama for the luckless Emmanuel. Merico absolutely shattered. No dramas though for the ORECA Vipers. 1 and 2, the cars are numbered, and that's how they were running. Bailey, knowing he's got a battle on his hands with Carl Bedlinger. He held him off, but Tiffany Dell in the 25 lit the storm after the stops. Couldn't do so. Hockenheim is normally the fastest circuit of the year, and this year though it sprang a little surprise. Out front the number 2 Viper of Jean-Philippe Belloc. Bob Wallach hustling him in second place. Hockenheim seeing an unexpected turnaround in Viper fortunes with a victory for Belloc and Dupuis. Bell and Drudy avoiding the carnage to come home in second place. Another Viper 1-2.